Today I'll be doing a video demonstration of a build I've been working on and refining for the past month, and it's turned out to be the best Ultralight build of Windows that I've ever used. In this video I'll be covering some of the most commonly asked questions that I get, and through demonstration we'll hopefully be able to answer them, so you'll know how to better utilize this custom Windows 11 build. And if anybody has difficulty understanding my voice, you can read the notes that I've written for each topic covered in this video. The first thing we're going to cover is the new File Explorer tabs. They're enabled by default in this build, but I've also added shortcuts so you can easily manage this new feature. If you want to disable or re-enable File Explorer tabs, go to the Start menu, Tools folder, and click on the shortcut Windows File Explorer tabs off or on, and then restart your PC to complete the changes. The second topic that I have seen pop up many times is how to turn off system transparency. In this build it is included, but it's disabled by default. If you'd like to enable it, open Task Manager and go to the Startup Apps tab, and you'll see an item called Clear.exe, and its status is disabled. So click on Enable to turn transparency on, sign out, and then back in to complete the changes. So now we have transparency in many of our system windows and File Explorer windows. If you want to turn it off, go to Task Manager, Startup Tabs, and change Clear.exe from enabled to disabled, and then sign out. The next topic that I'll be covering is how to change Startleback settings. By default in this build, it's using Startleback's custom Start menu. But if you'd like to use the original Windows 11 Start menu, first open the Startleback settings by either right-clicking the Start button and going to Properties or the taskbar, and then navigate to the Start menu tab and turn off Use Enhanced Classic Start menu. To reverse the changes, again right-click the taskbar, choose Properties, go to the Start menu tab, and then turn on Use Enhanced Classic Start menu. If you want to disable the transparency in the taskbar and the Start menu, again go into your Startleback settings, navigate to the Advanced tab, and uncheck both boxes under Customize Appearance, which will remove transparency from the Start menu and the taskbar. To re-enable it, you can check the boxes again and choose between Clear, Blur, or Acrylic for both the Start menu and the taskbar coloring. The next topic is how to use the Microsoft Store, Xbox, and install additional language packs if you would like to. By default in this build, the Windows Update service is disabled, but to be able to use the Microsoft Store, Xbox, Game Pass, or add language packs, you have to enable the Windows Update service first. To turn it on, go to the Start menu, and then go to the Tools folder, and click on Windows Update Service On shortcut. Now, the store will function. You can install the Xbox app through the Microsoft Store to use Game Pass. And then if you'd like to add an additional language pack, go into Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, and then click on Add a Language, pick your desired language, and then install it. Okay, the last topic we'll be covering is how to change the lock screen image. I do see this question pop up still quite frequently, and it's fairly easy to do in Windows 11. So to change the lock screen image, go to Windows Settings, Personalization, and then a way you can get to the Personalization tab in Windows Settings quicker would just be to right-click the desktop and go to Personalize. It'll take you to the same settings. And then choose the lock screen menu. And then go Browse Photos. And then pick any image from your computer that you'd like to use. Choose Picture. And that's it. And then when you sign out, your lock screen image will be changed. And then to change your desktop wallpaper, I have a few that I've included with this build in the wallpaper shortcut folder inside of Extras. If you right click any of the images and go set as desktop background, that's the easiest way to do it. And you can also go to Settings, Personalization, Background, or alternatively right-click Personalize and go to Background. And you can also change your wallpaper through the Settings app as well. That's it, guys. Hopefully I've been able to answer some of your questions and make this build a little bit easier for you guys to use. I hope you guys enjoy this build as much as I am. This is hands down the best Ultralight build that I've ever used. And I'm glad to share it with you guys, and I hope you really enjoy it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.